Right, now that we've added the water, we're going to, you can see it's starting to simmer. So we're going to want to scoop along the sides to get any of the onions or tomatoes off the top, and we're also going to do this to blend to make sure that our seasonings are equally distributed. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and make a whole vegetable stock for this, but we are going to take a teaspoon of it. And this will add just a little bit extra flavor to this. So we're going to go ahead and stir until it comes off. Then we'll continue to stir because it came off in a big blob. So when we stir, this will also give us a chance to make sure that all of our potatoes are broken up so they will cook faster. And then after we've done that, we'll go ahead and make sure that all the potatoes are submerged under the liquid.